Good evening.
Good
Hello.
evening.
Close.
Hi.
Nema wakaba. Eba original Mama Betty recipes is so. Nafi.
Brenda.
Me did not originate as a nema that was it. So person so bad. Now bet share we see free bleeding. Yeah, see you. My curious. Me person me who are the dear.
Okay.
Into man quay.
Nice. In Patriots, I make kind no say me pia bonti and me use menstrual cup no. But say me feel na free bleeding no. In order for you to practice free bleeding, you really have to get known to your body. You have to listen to your body signals. Because one says oh bleeding na moja na embat once like intervals. Exactly, but say only my body ni na only time a moja na over. So free bleeding no say me who say okay say na ban nothing will fear. Then I just use the restroom and then everything comes out and then
Wow.
I just go and
Wow.
sit down again. Exactly. That's the free bleeding. No? Exactly. Because
Oh,
me a tampon, no, I really have a bad experience with it. And the obika yes obi the tampon sheni mono e one mona say we fit tampon or inside now. It to me mouth some infections be and it's true.
Yeah.
Yes, it's true. Say in of baby one moment toxic reaction. I'm make sure now so I say this it does happen a lot. Yeah, and I mean,
wow.
because me used to tampon. I tell me I made tampon in and not like I feel very dry down there, so I don't use a tampon
Okay.
actually. Yeah,
Okay.
me
Me
who
pacho.
menstrual cup no.
Okay.
That's
Answer
what
no
I
one no best no. O
say.
say free bleeding ni ye wo fie no. Na say
More
wo
fear.
say ba na wakoto enti before e beba no what do you use?
Before I say Bebano, well, okay, so me know I know exactly when I was in Miami period because I always keep
Okay.
track of everything. Yes. And my body knows so well. Say like ABM fan said 2 days before, no. My body gives me some signals.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
2 days before, no. My body man me some signals, but me who say okay, she say na eba. Into the me say I don't know, so be a yet is but maybe no normal, me period at taba ahemrachi. Obi a different. Me in the taba ahemrachi. So Maria and I know so okay, aba. And then a honeymoon and say more fear. Then I start practicing this free bleeding. No. But I me practice free bleeding so now. Me war your friends and pantyhose honeymoon now. And no, so panty actually extra for menstruation. Exactly.
Okay.
No crampo no. Me pa me timi ahye no nko akwa bonti e hu ya say me use tap no because so thick. Say moja no
Okay.
gumu crampo na like
Na just say I don't mean how I do me person me nyanti asie ye ma jodo tuti o no. It means say enya say be ka wo ho aba wo nan dem kra.
Debbie. And come ho
Okay,
kra.
that panty
And
na
come ho
see
kra.
well lined like Emma.
Exactly.
Okay.
Pant no, it is
Okay.
a pat pepe. Pant no, it is
And
a
ya me
pat
so
Okay.
we are type ni ma me na me
No go
hihye
pedi.
a picture na me fa meto so. The next time I be the conversation back to us because you penny over man your my